Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back at it again on the 49 today. Last night we welded up this little corner that I made some relief cuts in. So we got that welded down, ground up. I welded up a little bowl hole there that I'm no longer going to use. I got a little weld here and I got this weld here. We're gonna see what we can do about getting those grinded down and cleaned up. I couldn't really get to them too well with it on the truck, so because I had the cab corner right here and I needed to get my tool in, and the cab corner was in my way, so hopefully I can get to it now. So let's see what we can do. Turn on the compressor. That would help.
Well, duh.
Voila. Lo, there it is. Ta-da, presto, behold, bam.
I'm trying to straighten out this lip here. It's all beat up and nasty.
Oh, that's nasty.
Much better. It was all beat up down there, and you can see that there's Bondo there. Like, they tried to fix it, but they didn't even get Bondo all the way down to the edge. Cool. Much happier with that. Okay, let's see. What next? I'm gonna weld this up and get that finished up. This was where that giant crack was in here. So I think I'm gonna get that, let's get that welded up and cleaned up. like maybe I need to come from the inside with the hammer here a little bit. I can see a little whoop-de-doo in there.
Whoop-de-doo!
All right, well. A little warm out here.
Burning now! Take it easy. Hellfire is burning me alive!
Alright, well, still lots more to do on this, lots more to go. But I think it's lunchtime for me. So I'm gonna go in and grab a bite to eat. See you guys later. I'm out.
Oh,